Welcome back. In this final part of the tutorial, we will guide you through logging in and accessing the TourDesk agent system. Okay, so now we've registered and we've set up the specifics for our location. It's time for us to log in. So in order to do so, you just simply type agent.tourdesk.io and it will open this new page. So in here, it asks you for email and username and then the password. So the username is the email address you've used to register, in this case, onboarded at tourdesk.io, and then the password you use as well. And then simply select stay signed in, so for convenience. And then hit submit. And you can see that it has a few options here on the left for you. So ideally, or what we will advise you to do, is to personalize your sales portal. So there's a few options for you where you can add your logo, you can include your brand colors, etc. So I'll tell you how to access that. So here on the left, you'll see a little star that has the name portal. So you select that and then select the name of the hotel. And in here, there's a few options. So if you hit design, as you can see here, there's the brand color, so you can pick a theme. We have a few themes that are already established for you, so you can select the dark theme, so that's a lot of blacks, grays, and blues. Blue theme, blues and yellows. Green theme, greens and blues. Gold theme, that's for the most luxurious properties, golds and blacks, and then simply black and white. But you can also include your brand color. So for example, I can create my own theme. So in this case, I'm gonna name it TourDesk Hotel. And then what is my primary color? Let's say is this one. You can see how it's changing in the portal. And then the secondary color, I'm gonna go for a darker pink. So select that. And then the button color, I'm gonna go for green, for pink again, and it changes in there. And then button hover color for darker pink again. Perfect. So this will be my new theme. I can save it and then edit it, or I can save it and actually activate it for my hotel. So that's what I'm gonna choose. So that's something I've already done successfully. So next step is adding my logo. Okay, so now it's time for me to upload the logo. So I'll just go back to the main menu and just click on the little star where it says portal again and select the name of my hotel. So I'll just open to this hotel, hit design. And as you can see, the colors we chose before for the new theme are saved, and all I have to do is upload in my logo. So in here where it says main logo, I just hit browse. I will find my logo, open it, and here, as you can see, it gives me the option to save it vertically or otherwise horizontally. So in this case, my logo is not vertical, so I'll just have it saved in no, but you can switch it to yes if yours is vertical. And then just save design. Fantastic, so that was a success. I'll just double check that everything looks correct. So I'll just go back to the main menu again. And at the very bottom where we have the contact us and the phone number and email address, above that, there's the logo I just uploaded. So I select that and it opens a new window. So this new window that I just opened is a sales portal that we will be setting with our guests. And as you can see, it saved my logo and also the brand colors that I chose before. So everything looks correct. Perfect. And now to finish off with the basic settings of my sales portal, I'll just go back to the main menu, select portal again, the name of my hotel, TourDesk Hotel, and then basic settings. So these are some parameters that will help us define our portal. So I can adjust the portal title again if I wish to do so. Then the displayed address, so my address where the hotel is located, And then the phone number, same thing. And then we have some options for default phone number and email address. So this is in case you want to have a pre-filled customer information. You can include your email address and phone number in here. However, we advise you to keep this blank so you can actually use the guest email and contact information. That way there's a point of contact between the tour supplier and the guest. And then you can include your website URL in here. So in this case, TourDesk.io is my website URL, and that means that when the customer hits back to, it directs them back into your own website. And then the booking notification email address, this is a great feature. So every time we receive a booking from you, we will be sending an email to this email address. And that's it. That's all the information that you need to choose from here. So save portal. Perfect. Okay. So now you're ready to start using TourDesk, but before we dive into the details, I would like to show you how to access our Help Center. So the Help Center is a selection of different articles that we've gathered for you to help you make the most out of your TourDesk account. So if you go back into the main menu, you'll find the Help Center at the very bottom. You can see that there's a few different selections and categories. So let's say you're interested in payments, for example. You open that and you like to know how to refund your guests. So just open that article and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So please, please, please use the Help Center because it's super useful to make the most out of your TourDesk account. Finally, and now that we have our TourDesk account set up properly, we know how to access the Help Center and even how to send automated communications. The next and more important step is organizing a training session with your team. It is really important that your staff is familiar with the agent system, and therefore we're very happy to help you set up a training session to make sure that they know how to assist your guests in booking tours and also how to manage tours that are bookings that are already in place. So please get in touch with your account manager, the person that you're working with, to organize this session. And also for your support, and if you need any help to with the settings, with the setting up, or with anything in general, just remember that our support team are available for you, and you have their contact details in here, so you can contact them with the phone number that you see in here. So this phone number depends on the country that you're operating at, and the email address, which is info@tourdesk.io. And that's it. You're now ready to start using TourDesk to offer amazing experiences to your guests. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to have you on board.